Hey guys, Dave Johnson with City Motors here. Here we have our 2007 Chevrolet Equinox. This is the LT package, which is their top of the line, comes with all the goodies. This one was a local trade. It's very well maintained and it is very clean. It's in one of the most popular colors they have. Of course, the LT package is going to get your polished aluminum alloy wheels there. Of course, this one is all-wheel drive. And the Equinox always impressed me because of the space. Very spacious, very roomy inside here. See, you got a ton of room there. Those seats will fold down at a 60-40 split. I have a full pictorial of that. If you go to our website at citymotors.net, you can see that. You have your premium Pioneer audio. Again, very clean, very well maintained. See, in the back seat, you got plenty of room there. Fit 3 passengers very comfortably. That center wheel fold down, giving your 2 outboard passengers an armrest. This one does have your power seat there. Of course, you can see it is leather interior. You have your cruise control. You do have your duplicate audio controls there. You do have your premium Pioneer audio with navigation. This one's going to give you heated seats. Of course, automatic transmission. All of your power options are located right there. Your center console will flip up out of the way, or you can open it up and you have plenty of extra storage there. You have your electrochromatic rear view mirror with compass, and of course your sunroof. Again, very clean, very well maintained, and this thing is rated at 25 miles to the gallon. It's an all-wheel drive vehicle getting 25 miles to the gallon. That is hard to beat. Guys, this thing looks great, runs good. The previous customers really took great care of this thing. Don't miss it. Come down here, drive it. You are going to fall in love. And don't wait long. Affordable 4-wheel drives that we can sell for anywhere near the $5,000 mark always sell quick. Don't miss this one. At City Motors, we have a 6-month, 6,000-mile warranty on all of our vehicles. We have no processing fees. That can be a big deal. As you know, processing fees are jumping up. They could be anywhere from $4.99 to $15.99 now. It's ridiculous. Don't pay those fees. Call us or text us anytime at 540-433-7335. Guys, it's the season for all-wheel drive. And again, you're not going to find a nicer one for anywhere near the $5,000 mark. Don't miss it. Act fast. Thanks for stopping by.